Live from right field in Chicago, Illinois, the New York Yankees are firmly in control, leading the Chicago White Sox 4-0 in the bottom of the fourth inning. Live from Great American Ballpark in Cincinnati, Ohio, the Cleveland Guardians lead the Cincinnati Reds 4-0 in the top of the fifth inning. Live from Busch Stadium in St. Louis, Missouri, the Chicago Cubs and St. Louis Cardinals remain locked in a scoreless tie during the top of the fifth inning. Live from Target Field in Minneapolis, Minnesota, the Kansas City Royals hold a 2-0 lead over the Minnesota Twins in the bottom of the fourth inning. Live from George M. Steinbrenner Field in Tampa, Florida, the Tampa Bay Rays are just 3 outs away from victory, leading the Texas Rangers 3-0 in the bottom of the eighth inning. Live from Citi Field in Queens, New York, the Atlanta Braves lead the New York Mets 1-0 in the bottom of the sixth inning. As the game continues, the atmosphere remains electric, with both teams giving their all to secure a victory in this crucial National League East matchup. With every pitch becoming more critical, one timely hit or defensive error could completely alter the outcome of this fiercely contested rivalry. As the game approaches its final innings, the stakes have never been higher, with both teams battling fiercely for a crucial win. In this nail-biting finish, every swing and every throw could be the difference between glory and disappointment for either team. With the clock ticking down, both teams are on edge, knowing that any misstep could lead to either triumph or devastation in this high-stakes matchup. As the pressure mounts, every player feels the weight of the moment, fully aware that this could be the turning point of the game. With the crowd roaring and tensions rising, each play becomes a spectacle, reminding everyone that in baseball, anything can happen until the final out. As the ball races through the air, the outcome of this pivotal matchup hangs in the balance, embodying the very essence of baseball's unpredictability. In this critical moment, the fate of the game seems to hang on a single play, illustrating why baseball captivates the hearts of millions. With one electrifying play, the momentum shifts dramatically, leaving the stadium buzzing with excitement and shifting the narrative of this fierce battle. As the final out is recorded, the Atlanta Braves emerge victorious, sending their fans into a frenzy and solidifying their place in this intense National League East showdown. In the aftermath of a thrilling game, the Mets grapple with the sting of defeat while the Braves celebrate a hard-earned victory in this unforgettable clash. As both teams reflect on the game, the Mets consider their future strategies, while the Braves bask in the glory of a well-fought victory, reminding everyone of the relentless spirit of baseball. In this moment of reflection, the Mets seek to learn from their experience, while the Braves celebrate not just their win, but the camaraderie that brought them together. As the celebration unfolds, the Braves revel in their achievement, creating lasting memories not just on the field, but in the hearts of their fans. As the night draws to a close, the echoes of cheers linger in the air, signaling the end of a remarkable chapter in this season's journey for both teams. In the quiet aftermath, the beauty of baseball remains, as players and fans alike look forward to the next game, eager to create new memories on the diamond. As night falls, the spirit of competition and community lingers, inspiring both teams and their supporters to prepare for the challenges that lie ahead. With the final score etched in memory, both teams leave with lessons learned and aspirations ignited, ready to face whatever the next game may bring. As the stadium empties and the lights begin to dim, the echoes of the game resonate, reminding everyone of the passion and intensity that makes baseball so special. In the stillness of the night, the memories of victory and defeat intertwine, creating a tapestry of experiences that will continue to inspire players and fans for seasons to come. As the night concludes, the connections formed through the love of baseball remain, promising new stories and unforgettable moments to come in the next chapter of their journey. As the field is nourished for future battles, the enduring spirit of baseball whispers promises of exciting games ahead, waiting to ignite the passions of fans and players alike. As the sun rises on a new day, it brings with it the hope and anticipation for the upcoming games, inspiring everyone to keep striving for greatness in the world of baseball. As fans eagerly converge once more, the cycle of passion and dedication begins anew, reminding everyone that each game is not just about the score, but about the love for the sport. As the energy builds and the crowd swells, the essence of community shines through, illustrating how baseball connects hearts and creates lasting bonds between fans. With the players sharpening their skills and the fans embracing the pre-game rituals, the atmosphere is charged with anticipation, setting the stage for another unforgettable matchup. As the final minutes before the game tick away, the collective heartbeat of the stadium quickens, uniting everyone in anticipation of the thrilling contest about to commence. As the national anthem echoes through the stadium, a wave of patriotism washes over the crowd, setting the tone for the fierce competition that lies ahead.